All right, so hey everybody, this is Randy and Tammy with Cause for Travels, and happy 4th of July, right?
Yes, a very hot 4th of July. We're
And
under a heat warning already.
I am pretty special. I'm hot.
And we're at my favorite resort that Disney has.
So that's what 31 years gets you. She just ignored me.
We are getting ready to eat lunch at Sanaa, which is one of our favorite restaurants. It has like Indian food and a little bit of African food. It's hot. Like I said, we're under a extreme heat warning, so our meal may be even lighter today. We will be sharing, but in the heat, you just don't want to eat a lot. So I'm warning you now, but it is fun. We are out here with the animals. You got the lodge. You can wake up and look out your windows and see giraffes. You can see all different kinds of animals. I haven't seen any of the zebras yet, and there's a baby zebra around here, but we are not at Jamba House. We are at one I can't pronounce. It starts with a K.
We're at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
There's two names.
There's two names, and we're going to take you to
I love it here.
Special place Sanaa, and like she said, there is extra food. We won't be eating like we do before, like she said. We will be maybe a little bit something different. So Tammy being Tammy needs naan bread.
I can make a meal out of naan bread. Naan bread is good.
Not sure what the main meal is going to be yet, just because it's so warm.
It is
but
very warm.
They do have African and Indian food.
Mostly Indian here.
Yeah.
The African food's over at Jamba House.
Yeah.
Which we'll do a video on Boma. Boma's our favorite. We love Jico.
So we're going to show you this. We're going to show you the rest of this resort. And come along and let us show you what Animal Kingdom Lodge has to offer in Sanaa. Yeah, well, you see a little bit of...
Because they're going to be different videos.
They will, but you get a big sneak peek.
I'm hoping we get to sit by the windows to look out over the animals, because they do have windows at the restaurant and you can look out, and we've been here before and the animals have been really close. I mean, they can't come up. They have little metal barriers.
Well, probably not going to be as active today because it's what?
It's extremely hot.
Just had to have her make her say that one more time.
It's extremely hot. I mean, normally the animals are out and you can see them everywhere. They're all kind of laying low today. So I can't blame them. It's a frizzy hair day.
Mine's out of control. So let's go see what happened. Let's go see what Sanaa has to offer, guys.
Okay, for July 4th, I opted for a red, white, and blue. It is all combining, but it is a pina colada. And Randy has a blood orange margarita. Mine looks so much better than his.
Not about the looks, about the taste. I'm telling you.
Mine's strong.
And we're waiting on Tammy's
Naan
naan bread
bread.
service.
Nom 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 nom.
Which is one of the things that they're famous here for.
Yeah, everyone's getting it here.
We'll bring you back and show you what that looks like here in a minute.
Okay, our naan bread has came. This is spicy, and I can't remember everything. Betty said garlic. We got ginger. I mean, look at all this naan bread. It's great. And then look at all these delicious sauces. This is the spiciest one. I can't remember what that had in it, but this one has jalapeno in it. Then we go to savory. Not sure what they call this. Then you have some roasted garlic. You have some red pepper hummus. This is where they get sweet. And then this is like a cool cucumber to cool things off. But oh my gosh, this one's a mango chutney. I remember that one. That one's really good.
And I apologize. He was explaining it. We had him. I thought I had him in the camera. For some reason, decided to switch to photo and didn't get anything. So
oh my gosh,
this
wonderful.
is Tammy's favorite part of probably the day.
Oh yes, I mean look at this delicious naan bread, all different kinds. Oh. It's wonderful. You guys are missing out.
Tammy, what happened to the naan bread? I didn't get any. What in the world?
You see who has 2 plates.
I no. And what is this that you have now?
We have the Sanaa burger, which has spiced mustard and peppadew goat cheese served with kettle chips and, a pickle spear, lettuce, tomato.
Tomato that Tammy will eat.
Yeah. But this actually, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. It looks like it was flame broiled, which is how I prefer, but that goat cheese, I'm real excited to try.
Hey, and there is a giraffe right outside our window. I'm going to go get for you guys. All right, everybody. Well, that is going to do it for us today at Sanaa. And as you can tell, Tammy took all the naan bread.
I did.
And I didn't
I
get
didn't share.
So
No, we split it in half. It was very good.
all of it. So there's like 5 pieces of naan bread. So we got 2.5 each. And then
I could have been done after that.
and then that burger was just
It was a great burger. That goat cheese on it was absolutely superb. I mean, it gave it that saltiness, and it really made the burger pop.
it did. It was really good. Just if you get that naan bread service, unless you're just either you don't eat it all, or you can just
That was a little
you're
bit much for 2
professional
people.
eater.
Yeah, that was nice.
The splitting the burger was perfect. But guys, there's so much more to that place than the burgers. We didn't really do it justice with the burger. All their traditional dishes and everything like that.
And let me explain why we went with the burger. Randy has allergies to lentils and to chickpeas. That's a lot of their dishes that they have are the chickpeas and the lentils because they're in Indian dishes. So we played it really safe.
There was one dish that I liked. It was like tandool or something like that, something chicken. And it sounded really good. But guess what it came with? More naan bread. And
We didn't need that.
I didn't want to do that.
That
So
burger was very good. Anyone who likes burgers will enjoy that burger. It was nice and juicy. It wasn't dry. The kettle chips were really crisp. They were really good. And I do have to give a shout out to our waitress, Jessica. She even loaded us up with water to go.
She was.
Because it is very warm outside, but it looks like we may be getting some rain.
Very polite, very
Oh.
good, very good
Wonderful
personality,
pet.
great personality.
A wonderful smile, bright, cheery eyes. She was wonderful. But it was so good. We couldn't get any dessert. We are totally full. But the naan bread was worth it.
It always is worth it to Tammy.
And all the different condiments that come with it that you get to try. I mean,
So
It
guys,
was
the
great.
next time that you get a hold of Tammy and to book you here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, or even if you don't,
Oh,
you know,
I
tell her to.
want to stay here. You guys need to tell Randy to let me stay here. He goes, we live
live
here.
here.
We don't need to go here. No, I do. I need to wake up and look out the window and see giraffes.
Which there was. I tried to get you guys a couple shots of the giraffes from the restaurant. That's one thing when you're at this restaurant, you basically
The lodge,
dining on the
you
savannah.
know, anywhere in
Yeah.
in Animal Kingdom Lodge.
You're dining
You're
on the
surrounded
savannah.
with, and there's more to it. You'll have to watch the next video because, I mean, there's so much to see and actually do here at Animal Kingdom. It is my favorite.
But if this isn't your favorite hotel, not
Resort.
resort, and you want to stay somewhere else, but you want Tammy to hook you up with Sanaa, just let her know. She'd be happy to do it with you. So guys,
make those reservations.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anything else? One more naan bread? Maybe a little
bit? Between a full belly and a drink, I am
She's tapping.
very tired.
She's tapping. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.
Bye.